Developed by Maximum Edge Nutrition, Px7 Primal Flow is described as an effective natural prostate supplement intended to repair and keep the prostate healthy. According to the supplement's official website, take Px7 daily. By taking Primal Flow, men have the opportunity to solve two prostate problems that older men face: erectile dysfunction and deteriorating prostate health. About 80% of men with BPH are likely to have benign prostatic hyperplasia. How does the prostate become inflamed? When you have an inflamed prostate or other prostate problems, it is usually caused by her Dht levels not being within the normal range in her body. A powerful, pure hormone, Dht is said to be the result of testosterone conversion. When Dht is present in large amounts in the body, it binds to androgen receptors in the prostate. These are receptors that also regulate Dht and other male hormones. Their job is to keep the prostate healthy or not overworked. When Dht levels start to rise and the body naturally responds to inflammation. Then men have to go to the bathroom all the time. BPH can cause erectile dysfunction, ED, and kidney failure in more severe cases. There is also this is because an inflamed prostate puts a lot of pressure on the bladder. When the prostate is inflamed, the body responds with resistance, inflammation, to anything that causes a problem with the prostate. In the process, chemicals within your white blood cells also fight to protect your entire system from attack. Dht is an incredibly aggressive form of testosterone. When released in large amounts, it causes inflammation of the prostate cells, causing men to go to the bathroom more often. Overall, solving prostate problems means taking care of an inflamed prostate. Maximum Px7 Primal Flow formula, the ingredient used in Edge Nutrition, is designed to alleviate these issues. Px7 Primal Flow benefits: when a man is over 40, his Dht in his body can cause inflammation in the prostate. All GMO and artificial ingredients free compliant Maximum Edge Nutrition plus this prostate formula contains exactly what every man needs to have a healthy prostate and put an end to sleepless nights in the bathroom. An inflamed prostate causes BPH and other prostate problems due to constantly elevated Dht levels in the body. However, Px7 Primal Flow claims that taking the supplement he takes twice a day for at least 2 to 3 months can solve these problems naturally and safely. Causes Dht in prostate cells. Here are the ingredients used in the Px7 Primal Grow formula. B. It fights obesity, strengthens the immune system, destroys cancer cells, improves brain function and supports heart health. Nettle, rich in nutrients, minerals and antioxidants, reduces all inflammation and swelling of the prostate. Broccoli, helps prevent the formation of tumor cells in the prostate and prevents prostate cancer. Green tea, packed with antioxidants and stimulants that help prevent oxidative damage to the body's cells. Stimulants boost energy, motivation and mental clarity. This product does not cause any known side effects. In order to have a healthy prostate, men need to regularly consume certain ingredients that come from certain foods. This is not possible because there is no such thing as Px7 Primal Flow, so you need to make sure you get what you need with a supplement like Px7 Primal Flow. And this formula does the job and delivers the health benefits it promises. More specifically, it regulates Dht levels and provides men with the natural ingredients they need to have a healthy prostate. Px7 Primal Flow, a miracle product. Px7 Primal Flow also improves overall health and is a complete supplement for men. According to its makers, it reduces the risk of prostate cancer, reduces the size of the prostate, and fights the burning sensation when trying to pee. Claimed to address the root cause of the problem. Px7 How fast do I see Primal Flow results? The results of Px7 Primal Flow depend on the male using the formula. However, you can feel significant benefits if you take the supplement daily for at least a month. When it comes to long-term prostate health, 2 to 3 months of consumption gives amazing results. If the formula is taken daily for 2 to 3 months and the manufacturer says so, the effects can last up to 2 years. But natural formulas like this double their effectiveness if you eat the right foods and need daily exercise. Px7 Primal Flow is designed to give men back their freedom and life. It plays a huge role in reducing prostate inflammation, so it's easy to see why it's one of the best prostate supplements. It's also very affordable and has a money-back guarantee. A 100% American-made formula, Px7 Primal Flow is manufactured in GMP and FDA-certified facilities under strict hygiene, safety, and purity standards. Considering all of this, and the fact that many men over 50 need to restore prostate health, this supplement is worth a try. Px7 Primal Flow is a male-only product as it addresses all prostate issues men experience, and men must be 18 years of age or older to use it. Men under the age of 40 are less likely to develop prostate problems. You will only benefit from it and feel healthier in the long run. However, the formula promises to do the best for those already suffering from these prostate problems. Chronic: if you suffer from any medical condition, or perhaps take prescription medications with many of them, you should consult your doctor before using Px7 Primal Flow. Px7 Primal Flow. Px7 Primal Flow is only sold on the official website and is currently available at the following discounted prices. 1 bottle, 1 month supply, for $69. 6 bottle pack, 6 month supply, total $294.